Today, let's walk you through a full vehicle inspection on this Toyota Prius, including some smart optional maintenance choices that can extend the life of your car and improve performance. During this routine inspection, we decided to add 3 key options. First up, the Carbonizer CN201. This treatment helps dissolve stubborn carbon deposits inside the engine, improving combustion efficiency and fuel economy. It also helps reduce engine knocking and makes acceleration smoother. Next, we use the Sludgenizer NV20, an engine flushing agent. It removes sludge, varnish, and internal grime from engine components, restoring flow and helping your engine run cleaner and longer. This is especially helpful for hybrid engines that often run at lower temperatures and can develop more sludge over time. Then, we applied Edit Plus, an antibacterial coating inside the air conditioner unit. This invisible coating helps prevent bacteria, mold, and odors from building up, keeping the cabin air fresh and safe. Perfect for drivers with allergies, kids, or anyone spending a lot of time in the car. Each of these treatments helps boost performance, comfort, and long-term durability. Combined with a standard inspection and basic maintenance, this is a solid way to protect your investment. So, how much did everything cost? Including all inspections, labor, and the optional services, the total came to 108,972 yen, tax included. It's a fair price for peace of mind and a cleaner, smoother ride.